What happens when your brain suddenly stops getting oxygen? How many seconds can you stay conscious? And how many minutes before brain cells begin to suffer serious damage? The human brain is one of the most powerful and complex organs in the body. It controls our thoughts, movements, memory, breathing, emotions, and almost everything we do. But there is one thing the brain depends on every single second: oxygen. Without it, the brain cannot work properly. So the big question is, can your brain survive without oxygen? And if yes, for how long? Although the brain makes up only a small part of the body, it uses a huge amount of the body's oxygen supply. Brain cells need constant oxygen to produce energy. That energy helps neurons send signals, maintain consciousness, and keep the body functioning. Unlike some other tissues, the brain cannot store much oxygen for later use. That means when oxygen flow stops, the brain begins to struggle almost immediately. Now, imagine this. The oxygen supply to your brain suddenly starts dropping. At first, you may not even realize what is happening. Within seconds, the brain begins reacting because its cells depend on a continuous supply of oxygen and glucose too. So, can your brain survive without oxygen? The answer is yes, but only for a very short time. The brain starts reacting within seconds when oxygen levels fall. If oxygen is not restored quickly, consciousness may be lost. Brain cells can begin to suffer damage, and the risk of permanent injury increases with every passing minute. In many situations, serious brain damage can begin within just a few minutes. Although the exact outcome depends on the cause, the person's condition, body temperature, and how quickly emergency treatment is given. That is why situations like cardiac arrest, choking, or drowning are so dangerous. The problem is not only that the person cannot breathe, the brain is also being deprived of the oxygen it needs to stay alive. And here is the most fascinating part. The brain is incredibly powerful, yet it depends every second on something as simple as oxygen. So the next time you take a breath, remember, your lungs are not only keeping your body alive, they are helping power billions of brain cells that allow you to think, move, remember, and experience the world around you. This is FactNova, where science becomes curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to FactNova for more fascinating science, nature, space, and human body mysteries. And before you go, tell us in the comments, what do you think would happen if the entire human body stopped receiving oxygen for just 1 minute? See you in the next FactNova video.